How to recover password on Messenger Lite app. So if you want to recover your password on Messenger Lite application, then first of all open up your Messenger, and after opening your Messenger Lite, you have to first enter your phone number or email, and then you have to enter your password to log into your account. But you forgot your password, or if you want to recover your password, then you have to tap on forgot password, which is on the bottom, and then you have to enter the email or phone number on which you have created your account. And after entering the mail, you have to tap on continue. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you will receive a code to the mail which you have just entered, so tap on continue. Now go and open up your mail and check the code. And now after entering the code, you have to tap on keep me logged in and then tap on continue. And now you can enter a new password, and after entering that you can tap on continue, and then you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you recover your Messenger Lite password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.